So Google has not launched the Pixel 4 in India, but the device that can come to India this year has got to be the Google Pixel 4a, which seems to be launching very soon. Well, today let us talk about all the leaks and rumors about the Pixel 4a as they are already getting out of hand. Talking about the design, Pixel 4a will have different design than the Pixel 4 as it will lose the huge forehead with the Soli sensor and get a bezel-less display with a punch hole at the left hand side. The display will just be Full HD Plus and have a refresh rate of 60Hz. The camera in the punch hole will be 8 megapixel. The Pixel 4a will be completely made up of plastic instead of glass. And also on the rear, it will have a physical fingerprint sensor which is fast but seems less futuristic than the in-display sensors that we see nowadays. The device also retains the 3.5mm audio jack, which is a great addition. On the back, there will be a square camera setup, but with just a single 12 megapixel camera and a flash. But as this is a Pixel device, the camera will be awesome as usual. It will also include the awesome night mode and astrophotography mode to get amazing shots of the night sky. The processor in the device will be Snapdragon 730, which is a little older as compared to 730G. Talking about the RAM, it will be 6GB and have 64GB storage as the base variant. The device will run the latest Android version as well, just as Google wants it to be. And this will be the first device to run Android 11 as well. There will also be a Pixel 4a XL, which will have a bigger screen and maybe a boost in the processor as well. Talking about the launch, it will be launched at Google I/O 2020 and the official pricing will be $399 US. The Indian pricing of the device will be between Rs 30,000 to 40,000. The price seems a little high, but this is Google we are talking about. They always launch the device at a premium in India. So this is all there is to know about the Google Pixel 4a, which is the budget Pixel device. If you stuck around till the end, I hope that you can subscribe as well. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you very soon.